Here we are in Poser. Got no idea how to get rid of this thing. Anyway, let's put it down there. Here we are in Poser. I just got K4 loaded up, as you can see. We just need to put some clothes on him because he's looking a bit cold. Let's go for Sickle Year, Humble Fungi, and for Skateboarder Vintage Boy coat. Okay, I'll put a coat on him. Next thing we need to do is, once we've got the coat selected, we can form it to the kid. K4. And we've got to go to these things and get rid of them, whatever they are. Left properties visible, because otherwise I'll react with the sim. There's probably a quicker way of doing this, but I use Carrera. Switched him around. There's another sneaky one. Next thing I suppose we should do is select the kid again, do a pose. Take it to there. Kids for brothers and sisters playground. No, you'll go firing off Daz as kids. General poses. Cartwheel, leaping. Let's do a leap. I can have a look at that. There he is. Not looking wonderful. Almost fits. Zoom in a little bit. Then what we have to do is start up the Python scripts, which is this thing. So we hit Alt, hold down Alt, click that, it gets rid of it. And then we have to go looking for our Python script things. God knows where they are. And then we go down here again, click that, and we get our buttons. So we need start VWD, and we get this neat little thing up here. Utilities, we're going to delete all the exchange files, which means it erases what other things we've done previously. Then we click here and we'll get a list of what we've got. So the kid is obviously going to be our collision. Click that. Have a look at those things. Yeah, I don't know what they are. Click collision again, and that makes the child a collision thingy, object element. Next thing is our coat, and we do a cloth. Click on the cloth, it's going to be the cloth, and click cloth again. Haven't adjusted any of the parameters because I've got no idea what they're all about. Then we click here for the scene viewer, and that shows us right clicking and for the to swivel around in the viewpoint, and you can use your mouse to zoom in and out. So the next thing we do is hit vertices tools, and we click free edges, and that's selecting all these edges here that don't seem to be joined or anything else. Then we hold down the Alt key, deselect that. And the next thing we do is pin all these things here, which are free edges, to the collision object, K4. So we click nail to collision. And then the next thing we do is we go up to simulation parameters. We can have wind if we want, but we'll just click start dynamic simulation. So I clicked it, and you can see something's happening. Cloth sticking to the kid, and all this is happening in real time. So you can spin him around while it's happening and stop it and do something. I'm not really sure what you can do when you stop it, but yeah, so we've got a real-time thing. This would take absolutely ages in Poser if you've ever used Poser. And you can see all those vertices that were free edges are actually holding together because the program uses something where vertices, neighbouring vertices next to each other actually stay together. So you can see the bow there hasn't been misformed or malformed, and this little ridge here is sort of almost holding its shape. It's not a bad program. This is quick as a flash. So you can come over here at any time and stop the simulation and do something. You can see there's losing a little bit on that left shoulder just there, but so there's a simulation. It's all thing over, and next we just click send to Poser.